This is how you make a smooth animation professional logo reveal in CapCut PC. So first up, you're going to import your logo that you're going to animate. Just drag your logo in the main timeline. Now, we can change the background color, but for now we want it to be black. So you don't have to do anything because it's already black background in default. So just adjust the size to whatever you want. After adjusting, click mask, add mask, and then click film strip and rotate it for a bit, and then adjust the size to whatever you want. And then increase the feather. For you to increase the feather, you can just drag this. Now, if this is not how it looks like on your screen, you can just click reverse. And then put it at the top. Then let's move the frames to maybe like 30. And then click the keyframe to add keyframe and then adjust it. And then move this until the bottom is not showing. Now we already have this. Now we want this to have a more smooth animation. So for you to add a more smooth animation or a smoother animation, let's adjust the keyframes first. And then click Alt-K on your keyboard and it's going to show you more options to adjust the keyframes settings. Just click on the end and then click Auto Curve, and then on the start keyframe, do the same, and now you have a smoother animation. Now you can just play with this, adjust it to whatever you want. Let's say for example you want this to ease out, and then click this to ease in. So now you have an ease in, ease out animation. There you have it. That is how you make a professional logo reveal in CapCut PC. Make sure to subscribe and have a good day everyone.